Have you put loads of money into your retirement only to wonder, is this the day I lose it all? Because if you lost anything in the 2008 crisis, then you know what I'm talking about. And it's why I'm going to show you what thousands of Americans have done to help protect their retirement from market crashes, inflation, and presidential disasters. So you can finally answer that question, is my money safer in a 401k or an IRA? And the answer may completely surprise you. Listen closely, because even if you've got your 401k loaded with different types of investments like stocks, bonds, and even mutual funds, you might think your money is safe. But the truth is, they're all linked to the ups and downs of the stock market, which means when the stock market has a bad day, your 401k might take a hit, no matter how diversified you think you are. But this is not an opinion, this is reality. So what makes an IRA so great? To put it simply, with an IRA, you can truly diversify your retirement savings outside of the stock market and into precious metals, specifically gold and silver. Here's why you might want to consider it. Because since 1913, our US dollar has lost an incredible 97% of its value. That's right, 97% of its purchasing power gone. Yet in the same span of time, over a century, the value of an ounce of gold has skyrocketed nearly 9,000%. I'm not kidding, a 9,000% increase in value. But here's the best part. You don't have to wait for a market crash to profit from gold. Just look at this. Since 2001, the S&P 500 has averaged a modest 5.2% per year, and the Dow Jones hasn't done much better at 5.4% per year. Meanwhile, gold's value has been climbing at an impressive 9.2% per year. Let's put it this way. If you'd invested $500,000 in the stock markets in 2001, you'd be looking at about $1,500,000 today. Not too shabby, but it could have been better. Because if you'd have put that same $500,000 into gold instead, you'd probably be sitting on a whopping $3.5 million, which is a $2 million difference. Given these numbers, it's clear why gold is also favored as a safeguard against inflation. So if the idea of a gold IRA seems interesting to you, or you're unsure if it's a good fit for your financial scenario, the Wealth Protection Kit can be an additional asset in your investment toolbox. With a satisfied client base in the thousands and over $2 billion in precious metals transactions, Goldco boasts numerous 5-star reviews, along with a stellar reputation for friendly and knowledgeable customer service and high customer satisfaction rates, offering you the protection you need with the precious metals that you want.